For centuries, humanity has searched for truth through science, studying stars, atoms, and life itself. At the same time, the Quran has guided millions with words revealed over 1400 years ago. Many ask, do science and the Quran oppose each other? Or do they walk the same path? Nature operates with perfect balance. From the movement of planets to the systems inside the human body, everything follows precise laws. The Quran reminds us that all things were created in balance and measure. Modern science tells us the universe began with the Big Bang, a single point that expanded into everything we see today. The Quran says the heavens and the earth were once joined together, then separated. At a time when humanity knew nothing about galaxies, this idea was already written. Science explains how a human is formed, starting from a tiny drop, then growing step by step inside the womb. The Quran describes the same stages with remarkable clarity, long before microscopes existed. Each stage mentioned matches modern discoveries. Science answers how the universe works. The Quran invites us to reflect on why it exists. Perhaps science and the Quran are not rivals, but two witnesses pointing toward the same truth.